If you run a small or mid-sized business in 2026, I want to ask you three questions. One, would you like to reclaim 10 to 30 hours per week and increase your business profit? Two, have you already invested in AI or automation tools and you're still not seeing the ROI you expected? Or three, have you automated your business significantly, reduced your team, cut costs, and yet you still can't see where future growth is coming from? If you answer yes to any of these questions, this SMB AI and operations automation event was built for you. Let me name each of the challenges clearly because there are three very different situations. The first is manual operations, admin consuming your best hours, talented people doing work that systems should handle, visible, painful, and completely solvable. The second is the silent one, faulty automation. You invested in AI. The tools are running, but adoption is low, systems are disconnected, and the promised results never came. That's not a technology failure. It's a digital strategy failure, also fixable. And the third, the one most people aren't talking about, too much automation. Some businesses automated deeply. They let go of their workforce and called it innovation. But replacing people with automation is substitution, not innovation. It's only delayed the business's expiration date and hasn't secured its future. I have developed ready to implement solutions for all three. My name is Nadia Vincent, founder of Digital Transformation Leaders. I am an MIT SLO certified executive advisor, ranked top 10 global thought leader in digital transformation and AI innovation. I have been a technology influencer for brands such as Microsoft and SAP. For over 20 years, I've led the implementation of innovative technologies for businesses ranging from corporations, public institutions, to SMBs internationally and in various sectors. Lately, I have been working on the most effective innovation frameworks for small and mid-sized businesses. I advise businesses to strategically automate first. Free your time, budget, and your people's capacity. Then innovate. Take what automation returns to you and invest it forward. New products, new markets, the next version of your business. The businesses that only automate are more efficient. The ones that automate and innovate are future driven and unstoppable. I'm hosting the SMB AI and Operations Automation, a free, live, one-day virtual conference for business leaders from various sectors, ready to do both. The general admission is free. For those ready to go further implementing, the VIP experience at only $250 delivers ready to implement and continuous value delivery, including my brand new book, AI Innovation and Automation for SMBs, 2 live innovation workshops, and a 1-year membership access to our SMB Business Innovation Resource Platform. The businesses that will lead the future aren't waiting for the right moment. They're building the right foundation right now. Automate, then innovate. We'll see you at the event. Register to save your place now